Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. This is part two. Video's been only out a couple hours and somebody already wanted to do a heart, but they can't get the heart even. And I've always run into that problem too. So what we're going to do is draw a heart. You're going to go to your common shapes in earlier versions, say basic shapes. Hold down the control button and hit P. Now, if you want an inside contour like that, you go to effects and contour the inside 2 inches, and you get that. That's terrible. You could go to rounded corners, and you get that. So the only other way to do it, and it's kind of, well, there's another way, the better way, but Control D and make a duplicate, and then just kind of bring it in, but it's not even. So the best way to do a shape like this, think about contouring to the outside. And if we use square corners, it'll be like that. It's not as tight in there, but that's about all you could do. And then what he did, or I did it, but I'm going to actually take this one apart. I'm going to set my nudge factor on like 20 inches. And I'm going to, you got to break the contour apart. So a lot of times you have to select it all, or most of the time. Break contour apart, grab that inside one. And we're going to do the same thing I did earlier this afternoon. I'm going to smart fill it with that red, and then I'm going to get the interactive fill tool, and I'm going to swipe across and put black. You know, you could use something other than black. You don't have to use black. But what's so cool about this is to have the exact same amount. Take your attribute eyedropper and look at that. And then all you have to do to this one is just mirror it and nudge it back. Of course, we did that last, so we're going to have to go to Object Order, Front of Page. And you get that right there. That's I think that would be really cool on some sort of printing. Anyway, hope that helped him and answer somebody's questions someday, and thank you for watching.